So, we baking. I got my trusty computer and recipe here. We're gonna make vegan cinnamon rolls. I've never done this before, I've never tried, so it's gonna be interesting. And we are hitting a bit of the ooh.
So at this moment I realized that I fucked up and I didn't record anything of the yeast process, so here it is.
So it's ready, but like it didn't ding. So this is what it looks like after 5 minutes. Kind of interesting. You got a little bit of a bubble right there. 5 cups of flour. That's a lot. I hope we have more flour because this is all I got. Okay. Cup. Flour. That's it. I don't know what's gonna do, like 2 different flours in here. I don't know. That's 4. 5. 1 teaspoon of salt. Salt mixed with wooden spoon. Starting to get gain some texture. Make sure when you're mixing, like, you really get in there and clean the whole bowl of the flour. What it looks like now is this, just a little ball. Flat it down like that a bit, and then cover bowl with a towel or plastic wrap. Please set in a warm place to rise for an hour. What you have to do now is it's gonna have to sit so it can rise. So we put a towel over it, or even you can use like saran wrap. And then we have to set it in a warm place to rise for an hour. So we'll see you in an hour. So now we're just gonna like roll it. Oh, these are big ones. These are big ones. I've made a fucking mess. I've made a mess. I've made a mess. This is what it looks like. It looks like this.
So I didn't film again, however, it was good, tasted great. See, look, I'm giving 2 thumbs up, so that means great. Oh, reaction, great. Oh, she loved it. Bye.